Oh! What's up, guys? On location at a new skate park. Probably one of the most brutal skate parks in the UK. All concrete, triple bowl. Callum wants to test out which is tougher, the Outcast 8S.
The what?
The Outcast 8S. That wouldn't be here because that would be going home in a boggy bag straight away. We mean the X-Maxx and the Maxx. Remember what you got to do, guys. You've got to like, subscribe and comment down below which one's going to be tougher, the X-Maxx or the Maxx. Oh, oh, he's going, he's still going. Oh. Oh, he gets his sparkage. Oh. Now you can see how deep this bowl is now, look. Look how high it is.
I won't even be able to throw it up.
Oh, where's your muscles? Oh, he's going to do it. Yeah. I'm going to give him a wedgie. Oh, that's in bits. That's in absolute bits. You got a bit here. You got a bit there. You got a bit there. Bit here. Nice and bent. Oh, you're over it. Oh, that's better. It's gonna hurt. Oh. Could be the weight. Loving it. Oh, we've got breakage. What have we got?
Bumper thing there, and then that's like come off of that.
Oh, we can fix that and get that back out. Now the time of the X-Maxx. Can the X-Maxx do? X-Maxx, absolutely loving it. So while Callum's going to get the X-Maxx, what's going to win between the X-Maxx and the Maxx? What do you think, Callum? Maxx? Comments down below, guys. What you think is going to win this? There's one. Oh, he makes it. Back out and over again. Back again.
Oh, back again.
Oh, X-Maxx is absolutely loving it.
He's a good climber, that cunt, isn't he, eh? He's doing well. He's doing the bowl though.
Oh!
I've got a challenge.
What's the challenge?
You have to jump out of that bowl and land into that bowl.
Can Kev do the challenge?
Watch out, heads!
Oh!
Stephen didn't even look. That was close.
Side by side. Goes one, goes two. Oh! X-Maxx absolutely loves it. Callum, do you think your Maxx could take all this?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah, it's an X-Maxx. Of course it's going to take it.
Now the only problem with our X-Maxx is the body is pretty much at it. So we're probably going to get either a new stock body like this, or we buy a clear one and paint it. Question is, what do you guys think? Should we get a stock one, or should we get one and paint it? Put a comment in below on what colour we should paint it. What are you doing, Cam? Full tilt off of this?
Yeah, full tilt.
Oh yes! Cam's going to take on the wall of death now. Straight up here. To the moon. Ooh. And again. And this is why the X-Maxx is the world's best RC car. Oh. Pick that body. Oh, we've lost the gear.
You just dip or?
Oh.
I reckon it's centre side. I reckon you've got to dump it again.
Oh! Oh! He's taking it though. Hello! Ooh! Body has had it. One more big send. Nitro X-Maxx. Oh. Down you go. That's a sign. Oh. Hasn't got the power with that gearing. Can the Maxx take the abuse the X-Maxx has just taken? Not like that. The body took that though.
Body took the brunt of it.
Yeah, keep going. Doesn't get the clearance, does it? Oh. Sorry guys, I don't think the Maxx is as good as the X-Maxx.
No, it takes it.
It's taken it.
Yeah.
Oh, a bit of a squidgy. Got a bit of a broken bit there, but yeah, it's still going. That front bulkhead from Vitavon, I don't want to tempt fate, but it's holding up nicely. Yes, saved it. Jumps off this one nicely, doesn't it? I'm saying that. Oh!
Well, that time.
Now it's time for the Maxx to take the wall of death. Oh! Took it, and again. Could be not. Ooh. What you done, Callum?
It's popped off again. Oh, and we lost the screw.
Oh yeah, we're gonna stop that then. You don't want to lose that hinge pin.
No.
I think the consensus is, guys, the Maxx is good. The Maxx is tough.
Not as good as the X-Maxx.
But Callum said it, the X-Maxx is the king. It really is. Hopefully you enjoyed that one, guys. Probably the most brutal skate park in the UK. Seeing what the X-Maxx and the Maxx can do. And without question, they are the most durable cars you can get. So what do people have to do, Callum?
They have to subscribe, hit the like, comment down below, and turn on the notifications.
And what else? Those videos.
Popping out around me right about now.
Take care, guys. Stay safe. and we'll see you on the next video.
HardcoreRC signing out.